guys, Diana and Ariel, and yes, apparently we can't just do Ariel. Okay, so we are going to try to make our sweet potato gluten-free donuts, since it is donut day. Hey, that's my recipe. What are you doing with it?
Make it so you can see it better.
Okay. So, let's do this. So some of you who know us, we make donuts every Christmas Eve, and
it's Donut Day.
Well, okay. Yes, it's National Donut Day, so we're making donuts. This is 1 cup of my gluten-free flour. Do you want to put a teaspoon of cinnamon in?
A teaspoon of cinnamon. How's it?
Maybe 2.
Missing. Go down.
Good job.
Oh, yep.
That's good.
So,
yeah, I'm trying to think. I might do a little more.
We like cinnamon.
We like cinnamon, and we like lots of flavor. Hey, Alex and Nicole over on Instagram. Yay!
I have to wave. It says wave.
It says wave. It does say wave. Ariel always obeys what people tell her to do, especially her elders, right? They'll say so. Oh, I'm adding a pinch of salt. I forgot I should tell you guys what I'm doing. So, who had a donut today for National Donut Day? I, have to support.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yes.
Last year you did it.
Okay. Ariel, this isn't all about you. We're talking about the people.
It's me.
Okay. We've got that. Sugar. Let's add some sugar. So I'm using some cane sugar.
I need sugar.
Because I saw your bat symbol. Yes, Alex. I was hoping you would see that up there. I'll do it again the next time I need help with dishes.
What's
so you
the
can
bat symbol?
So I'm putting 3/4 cup of sugar.
Oh, I was gonna eat that. Wow, this is a different kind of sugar.
Hi, hello. Thanks for jumping on Instagram.
We got organic sugar.
You're showing it up. Okay, Facebook. My Instagram people are saying hello. So you guys don't let them show you up. Okay, we'll see. Instagram has already done 3 messages to us. So let's see, Facebook, if you can match this. Instagram, you're getting all our love tonight. Okay, so I have a 1/2 cup of sweet potato in this bowl and 3 room temperature eggs. Any of you who know me, I'm really bad at following directions perfectly, so I don't know if they're room temperature. It's close enough. So, yep, mix away. We got that. Then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of...
2! We pour it.
This is soy milk. You could do regular milk. You could do almond milk. You guys, I'm not the best baker since I just throw everything in. Anyone else?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty decent.
Yeah, you're pretty... Oh, and I forgot. I'm going to put a little bit of baking powder. About 1/2 teaspoon.
I'm doing twice at one time.
Whoa. That's because you're like my little kitchen slave, huh? Beat the
I'm not
food.
a slave. I'm a maid.
A maid, yeah, you're my maid. Hey, I'm making donuts, so I think we're good. And vanilla. Do we add... Vanilla's our secret ingredient, right?
It's supposed to be secret.
It's supposed to be secret. It's our favorite.
Come on, we have to have another secret
Hey, Facebook,
ingredient.
say hi. I see you jumping on now. So I'm doing Instagram and Facebook at the same time, and Instagram's totally showing you guys up on Facebook.
Okay.
So give us some love.
This Facebook and that's Instagram.
Yes. So say hello. Let us know what you did for Donut Day.
We have an iPad and then there's a phone.
Yeah,
so.
shh, don't reveal all our secrets. Shh.
I'm looking at the iPad since it's really close.
So, National Donut Day, we're making gluten-free, dairy-free, sweet potato donuts. Yes.
And I get to decorate them.
Wow.
And can I have a cookie dough thing?
Whoa. Maybe this girl doesn't need any more sugar. Okay, guys.
I didn't have any sugar.
Let us know if you think Ariel should have sugar. Thumbs up if she should have sugar right now, or if she should just go eat some carrots and go to bed. Put a thumbs down. Ariel, I just put your life in their hands.
I get to wait for a
Tell them to vote for a thumbs up. Okay, so here's my gluten-free flour, sugar, cinnamon, and you could add nutmeg and stuff like that. Oh, Nicole gave me thumbs up.
Yes. Thanks, Nicole. I love ya.
I kind of thought they might vote in your favor. Oh, my favorite secret ingredient for gluten-free things. Oh, hey, Alex, high five for not eating donuts when everyone else was. Can you give him a high five? He's Dad's friend that talks to all the time.
I get a wave.
You get a wave? Yes.
It was a blast. I'm trying to do on both of the comments.
Oh, that's good. So I'm putting apple cider vinegar, which is what I put in a lot of my stuff that I bake. Nana's watching up on Facebook.
This is what it looks like right now.
Yep, oh, careful. Yep. Okay, so we're going to dump this in. Oh, your egg is... So I actually baked some sweet potatoes for this. Yeah, you... Brian has so much fun on your thing, Alex. Okay, guys, so you don't know, Ryan and Alex do a good times.
With Alex and Ryan.
Did you just... Isn't it Ryan and Alex? Or is it Alex and Ryan?
There's both. There's Ryan and Alex, and then there's Alex.
There's both?
Yes.
Did you know that, Alex? There's both.
I think there is.
Okay, whoa, just one at a time. Okay, so now we're combining. And wait, let me... Because you don't want to really overdo it. Okay, so here is another one of my tricks that I do. Can you get a Ziploc bag out from right there, Ariel?
It smells donut-y. It's turning brownish.
It smells...
Do you want to see the brownish color? It's a gorgeous brown. I do see so myself.
Gorgeous brown. So here... Okay, I got my oil here. I'm using a wok. That's my hack, because I don't have a fryer myself. I live in a tiny apartment. The only time I use this wok, electric wok, is to make donuts. Okay, no, this.
It's to make it look good. Umbrellas always make things look good.
Okay, you're a little goofy. Someone's a little hyper tonight. Okay, hey guys, hi Nancy. I hope you guys are doing well. Enjoying your Friday evening. Obviously, you're hanging out with us, so that's pretty much the best place to hang out, right? Right, Ariel?
Yeah.
No. I'm trying to decide if I think this dough is a little runny. It might need more flour. I might have dumped in
taste it.
Okay. I might have dumped in a little too much milk. Friends, measure. I will send you the ingredients. Okay, Sarah, I'll send some your way.
What did she
But you
say?
know donuts aren't as good, you know, after like an hour or so. Ugh. Okay. Okay, enough. Yuck.
Fine.
So regular donuts with gluten flour, you would do a lot of rolling. You know, you roll them out and you cut the shapes in them. We used to do it all the time.
Yeah.
Gluten-free just doesn't hold up as well. So what I do is I just drop it. I need some scissors, girl. Do we have some scissors?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well,
Is anyone else like us where we can never find scissors when we need them? This is always what happens to us.
Like the keys. Okay, now I'm in charge, so I'm gonna do a commercial right now. Do gets.
Ariel, what just? Oh no! You broke it.
There's now glass on the floor. Do you want to?
There's no glass. I'm gonna pick it up. You
Hey,
guys, she just broke my bowl. Now you guys need to vote again if she still gets to have dessert.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It was really big. It was like that corner.
Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I've got hot oil here, so stay back, because remember hot oil? Okay. I've got hot oil, and I'm just gonna squeeze it out
Going behind the table.
into my oil. And you want your oil hot when you do this, okay? So, ooh, it's bubbling good. So about 350. Oh, this dough's probably a little wet, but whatever. I'm just winging this thing and just doing it. Hi, Nancy. Hey, guys. Say hello. Let me know what you're doing and if you had donuts tonight.
Donut.
Oh, Ariel, you want to get some powdered sugar? Do you know where it is up on the fridge?
Yeah, this is my shield. It's my helmet.
So these are going to be very interesting. They're just kind of squishing out there. Whoa.
We can call them the snakes.
Here we go. We'll say they look like snakes.
What do you think?
So do any of you guys...
Sugar?
Oh, it might be way in the back. I'll get it. Do any of you guys have a favorite donut recipe that you like to do? I know...
I just go to the best donut store and say...
Why are you wearing... Oh, is that for the oil? You're wearing the helmet?
Yeah, safety first. And also it looks cute on the bike. Don't you guys think?
Good thing Ariel's here. I would be so boring if it was just me talking, huh?
It'd be talk. And even the handle wouldn't broke, so it wouldn't be fun.
You guys, my bowl.
Is
Can you guys have a moment of silence for my bowl?
Send a sad face.
I am really sad, but nah.
Send a sad face. I will dip this in there and see what happens. Just kidding. Who would? Not me. Hey, that looks like a chicken leg.
I'm looking. Where did the powdered sugar go?
I'm gonna talk to the camera. I won't bring anything now. This commercial is about me beatboxing.
Is anyone still watching us?
Yeah.
Who's our faithful friends? If you're still out there, say hi.
There was a
What do we have?
piece of hair in my mouth.
Oh, why was there hair in your mouth?
It was dark.
It was not my hair.
I will lock you straight into the eye.
Hey.
Just kidding. Plant flowers in it. For purposeful.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put
You
these
can't
in.
plant flowers in it though.
Oh, repurpose. Oh, well, that's a great idea, but Sarah, do you think that would... It's actually like all the way down, do you see? I love this color. So I taught 3-year-olds for 4 years, right? And this was a bowl I got for a gift like my last year, right when we left Texas. But one less bowl to clean, I guess. Or if someone wants to send me a new bowl, I would accept it. Whoa, that was way too much sugar. Nope. We don't eat raw dough. Ever.
I just did.
Okay.
Everything to make anything look pretty. Boom, this or parsley.
Can you put some cinnamon in there?
This or parsley. Makes it look pretty.
Okay. Yeah. We're going to do cinnamon sugar. And the chickens. Aww.
I'm
Whoa.
tall.
Okay, I didn't know you'd put that in there. Okay, go ahead and mix that cinnamon sugar. Can't find my powdered sugar, so we're going to do cinnamon sugar. Improvising. That's what we do
Can I try
here.
a little bit because I never had it.
Okay, where did I put mine? Okay.
Cinnamon sugar.
Ta-da.
I put it in. I'm trying to do one of those fancy ones so I can show him.
Woo.
This is fancy.
So you put it on
Dude,
paper
that
towels.
looks like a chicken.
No, this is a little done. So here's how they kind of came out all funky. But they're just fancy donuts, right? They're fancy. Can you see Facebook? You'll see?
Well, that one has a hole in it.
Yeah.
It looks
Okay.
like chicken.
And when it cools down, we're going to put a little bit of...
I could have decorated it with sugar.
Okay. We're going to put cinnamon sugar on it. These had a good amount of sugar, so I see they actually could burn. The plant, not the real ones. Yeah. I see what you're saying, Sarah. That's funny. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some more, and that will cool for a second, and then, Ariel, then you can roll it right in the cinnamon sugar, and then you can sample it. Taste test. Drum roll. Hey, Facebook, who do I have on? I see a couple people, but I can't tell who they are.
Gotta wait.
Well, you can see. I don't know if it's too hot. Whoa.
Well, I need that to go closer since I can't.
Okay, just a second. Yeah, wait till I'm done so we don't get you.
We will rock you.
Okay. So do you only eat donuts for breakfast, or do you guys ever have them more for like a dessert? Because to me, they're more dessert. This was the interesting thing living in the South. It was so weird how in Texas, like, lots of people would have a donut for breakfast. Like, we would have kids dropped off with a donut, and I was like, oh. But I was raised by a mom with a nutrition degree, so we didn't have a lot of fun.
In a dairy farm.
We did have fun. We did make donuts.
They were in a dairy farm, and now I'm allergic to dairy.
Okay. Enough.
Can I take this
Okay,
off?
go ahead and get that. Yeah, you can take the helmet off.
Free.
She just craves attention and video. I don't know where she gets it from. It must be her dad.
Yeah, it actually is.
Not her mom, who loves to get attention.
Yeah, because they're too boring.
I'm boring. Are they too hot, or is it perfect?
Perfect.
Okay, you're going to sample it?
No, I gotta put some sugar.
Okay, I'm going to sample it. Mmm. Okay.
Are you doing it just
Facebook?
because of the video?
No, you try it. You'll see. They're super tender because I don't have a ton of flour in this recipe. So you could also bake this, but y'all, I ain't gonna bake donuts. I just...
Holy donuts! Get one today. We'll bake one for you and put it in a fancy box. It'll be cold, but there's such thing as a microwave.
Are you offering... Are you starting a store? Or,
Also, sweet donuts.
Sweet donuts, huh? Is that what they're called?
Uh-huh.
You're hilarious. Okay. This actually came out really good. I'm going to have to
If you
remember...
get me $1, I can deliver it.
$1? Dream big, boy, girl.
3.
I'm going to have to add this recipe because we always make them at Christmas. I got to adapt this one. I like it a lot. I think it came out better. But it's really interesting because my dough is really wet, but it still actually worked really well. Oh, watch out. It's hot. So, who is going to go make donuts now? Did I inspire anyone?
Me.
Maybe Saturday morning is like the best time for a donut. Or Friday night.
Okay.
No matter what time it is wherever you guys are. It is only... What time is it?
What time is
7.
it? Time for you to get a watch.
Time for me to get a watch. It is only 7:30 over here. So we are going to have our little... At PM, yes. We're going to have our little bedtime snack. And then we will go cuddle and watch a little bit of the movie. Because we watch a movie every night in bed for a little bit. Right now, it's one of our little habits. What movie are we watching right now, Ariel?
Sister Act, and I'm not sure if I can watch it, but Mom let me.
There was cussing in it. I didn't really realize it. But you like the singing. That's what I thought, because she likes all the singing. I thought she would like that. So,
and I'm Christian, not Catholic.
Wow, it's okay. It's just a movie, and it's interesting.
True, and Nacho, Dad watched him.
Oh, Nacho Libre, yes. Okay. Okay, guys.
This donut likes me.
Okay, I guess we could stop now and let you guys carry on. These donuts are delicious, gluten-free, dairy-free, but not egg-free. They've got the 3 eggs. So, I will post the recipe. My Instagram people, I'll put this as an IGTV, and I'll post the recipe in the description, which is the boring way to read the recipe, of course.
Good.
Watching Ariel in action is the fun way. So, okay, guys, have a wonderful night. Let me know you're there. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.